Welcome to Tanatan Kids. Today we will do the book exercise of our EVS chapter, Our Neighborhood. The chapter is Our Neighborhood. So first of all we will do tick the correct option. First is we can buy stamps from the options are post office, railway station, hospital, school. The answer is post office. Some banks have lockers to keep safe our. The options are books, files, jewelry, nothing. And the answer is jewelry. The next is if a house catches fire, we call for the options are railway station, fire station, hospital, school. And the answer is fire station. When we fall ill, we go to hospital, market, mall, shop. And the answer is hospital. When we fall ill, we go to hospital. Kids, now we will do fill in the blanks. And the first is people keep their money in a dash. People keep their money in a bank. B A N K, bank. People keep their money in a bank. You can buy fruits and other household things from the dash. We can buy fruits and other household things from the market. M A R K E T, market. You can use ATM to withdraw dash. We can use ATM to withdraw money. M O N E Y, money. The residents of the neighborhood are called dash. The residents of the neighborhood are called neighbors. N E I G H B O U R S, neighbors. Firemen use dash to put out the fire. Firemen use fire engines to put out the fire. F I R E, fire. E N G I N E S, engines. Firemen use fire engines to put out the fire. So kids, now we will do true false. Write T for true and F for false statements. The first is when we fall ill, we go to police station. This statement is false. We buy fruits and vegetables from the market. This statement is true. We keep our money in a bank. This statement is true. Railway station is a crowded place. This statement is true. We should never help our neighbors. This statement is false. Now we will do question answers related to this chapter. The first question is, What do you mean by neighborhood? The answer is the area in which we live is our neighborhood. The next question is, what do we buy from the market? And the answer is, we buy clothes, food, vegetables, fruits, medicines from the market. The next question is, where do we go when we are sick? The answer is, we go to hospital when we are sick. The next question is, name any 2 items you can buy from a post office. What can we buy from a post office? The answer is postcard and stamps. And the last question is, how is a fire station useful for us? And the answer is, fire station keeps us safe from fire. So these were some questions related to this chapter, and if you like the content, then please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.
If you like the content, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.